to the Thomas and Friends Games World's Strongest Engine. Minis go outside. Mini waiting at each end of the track, and the Mini on the losing side. Playing in my backyard. Starting things off, Percy versus Diesel. Ow! Hey, I fell on a chair. What's that over there? Whoa! There's a big pond. And I think there's supposed to be some fish in there. Wow, look at all that stuff in there. Wow, this is a nice pond. I like it. Merlin versus Toby. Whoa! Look where I found. I found the sandbox. Hey, what are you doing with that sand? Hey, ow, hey! Sand is supposed to be played with. Hey! What do you... Hey, give me... Ow! 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 What do you... Ow! Oh! Look at me! I'm all covered in sand. Oh, this is horrible. I'm not this number 7 engine anymore. Stop. Charlie versus Thomas. Hey, I'm still in the crap. Hey, what are you doing? What is that? Why is all this? All these rocks are fucking. This is gonna ruin my paintwork so much. Look what you've done. I'm not the number 1 engine anymore. Versus Charlie. Whoops, sorry. I just fell down the slide. That was cool. That was fun. I'm gonna do something like that again. Round. Charlie versus Merlin. Who will win? I just fell in plants. Hope you can find me in here. Is the winner.